2 out of 5 Australians have multiple super accounts. In fact, there's billions of dollars sitting in lost super in Australia. The big question is, how much of it is yours? In just a few minutes, you could add some of it to your super account. In 5 easy steps, you can check online to see if you have super elsewhere and consolidate into one account. Log into your MLC account. Give us your consent for an ID check and to find your super. Complete the ID check and have your mobile phone or access to email handy for a security authentication. Select the accounts you would like to consolidate. Click Submit. Done. We'll then pull all your super together. Quick and simple. By simplifying and putting your super in one place, you could save yourself additional fees and insurance premiums. Weigh up the benefits and features of your other super funds against your chosen MLC super account. Compare the fees of your funds. Don't forget your insurance and make sure that your chosen MLC super account will provide you with the appropriate cover to replace any cancellation of insurance cover that will occur by consolidating your accounts. You should make sure you have the cover you need in place in your new fund before rolling over benefits. If you suffer from a pre-existing medical condition, consider whether you will be eligible for the same level of cover if you cancel your existing insurance policy. Check the tax implications and see if your tax and preservation components will be impacted. Speak to your financial advisor for further information. If you intend to claim a tax deduction for certain personal contributions made into your other funds, ensure your notice of intent to claim a deduction for personal contributions is made and is acknowledged by that fund. Also, if you want to split any eligible concessional contributions from the current or previous financial year with your spouse, you need to make sure you've completed this before rolling over. What do a few minutes mean to you? Log in now and get started. To find out more, visit our website or give us a call.